Guys, there's a silent revolution going on in Africa. No one is talking about this. There's a silent revolution going on in Africa. Let's talk about it. So guys, you see, most people have not been paying attention. The media has not been telling us what is happening in Africa. And I'll tell you, I'm going to talk about the things that the media is not talking about and like putting an emphasis on these things. And I know most people are not even paying attention, and it's not their fault because the media is just busy showing us stuff that is not important. So one, Africans are waking up, not just in Africa, but also in the diaspora. And this revolution is happening because Africans, have seen how the other races have treated black people, you see? And it's so degrading to a point that we cannot ignore it anymore. And this is not an attack to the other races. Of course, we love you guys, but you know, the truth has to be said. Someone had to say it, and I'm saying it. It's so crazy how these other races, I'm not going to say to be specific, these other races think that black people are inferior, black people are stupid, they don't have history. We are waking up to the history of black people. We were waking up to the history of black royalty. There's a reason why some leaders are brought here. Some people are just born to awake and to like demolish structures. You can see, for example, the president of Burkina Faso, you know the guy, Traore. This guy is a visionary that other African leaders are trying to like disregard, are trying to like make this guy feel like he's small, but this guy has a vision. And when the other Africans are awake, they are going to appreciate this guy for what he's doing right now in the continent. To be specific, in Burkina Faso. There are 3 Sahel countries in the Sahel region. Sahel region, I mean the Niger, Burkina Faso, and the other one is it Equatorial Guinea or Guinea-Bissau? Equatorial Guinea, I think. So these countries have come together and formed a unified banking system where they put their money together, and their main aim is to like end dependency on foreign countries, on the World Bank and the IMF. And this is a very big move that other Africans are failing to like acknowledge. Africans are busy fighting each other, Tanzania versus Kenya, throwing memes left and right. Like, these are all distractions, bro. Have you noticed that in the last 3 weeks, like 1 month, in the last 1 month, there has been a lot of distractions? And this is because the Olympics, rugby, I've seen the football, the qualification games, all these are distractions. Remember when people were starting to ask questions in ancient Rome, they used to organize games in the Colosseums so that people can be busy and entertained, so that they don't put their focus on things that really matter. These countries in the Sahel regions are leading the way for other African countries to follow. They are showing us an example of what true independence means. They're showing us an example of what true independence means, bro. And these countries are not playing, bro. Traore is not playing. He refused an invitation to go to the US to speak to this guy,